Hey guys, welcome back to Keeping Up with China. Today we're back with another video. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. So you guys, in today's video I'm going to be installing this wig right here. Let me see if I can show you guys. I literally just curled it. I'm about to install this wig. My sister's birthday was yesterday and we're going out tonight. Ooh. We're going out tonight, so, and I wanted to do another wig install for you guys, but I never found the right excuse to do it. So now that I'm going out for the night, and also tomorrow too, because tomorrow is Sunday, we're gonna go out to brunch. I'm just like, let me do that video right now. But before you guys, make sure that you like this video, make sure you comment, make sure you are subscribed, and make sure you click on the notification bell so that you are notified each time I post a new video. This already has oil in it, so I'm not even gonna add oil, and I'm kind of in a rush because our reservation is at 6 and it's already 4 o'clock and it's all the way in Miami. So I'm gonna try to see if we can leave here at least 5:20 ish. All right, so first, the most important thing when it comes to applying wigs over locks is the base, which is how you apply how you're going to make the wig flat, basically, because the whole, you want the wig to look flat, that's the whole, as flat as possible. You want to make it look. So this is my wig cap. You're gonna need like a wig cap so that you can put in your hair after you finish putting it down. I'm not really sure what method I'm gonna use, because last time I just literally just pulled my hair down and then put it in the ponytail, and then it stayed fine. Like, I did it like this and then put my hair down in the ponytail, and that was it. Because my hair is so thick, you guys, it's really hard to I'm not gonna braid it down because, listen, I just don't have the time right now. But here's what I'm gonna do. You just gotta make sure that whatever parting you're doing, you gotta make sure that it's flat. Okay, you gotta make sure it's flat so the hair can install good. Alright, you guys, so like I was saying before I got interrupted, it honestly does not matter how you put your hair down, as long as it's flat and it looks good and decent. That's all that matters. I'm in a rush, so I don't have time to braid my hair. And when you do braid it does turn out to be like a little bumpy, honestly. So sometimes I kind of like to just bring it, like if I'm doing the middle part, most of the time I do the middle part. So I usually just just do this, and it gives me that nice flat look in the front. So usually that's what I do, So now we're going to put the wig on. I already, you know, already fixed the wig. I already curled it. So we're gonna put the back first. It does have an elastic band. This is from my sister's collection. This wig is pretty old, you guys. I feel like it's over a year old actually. You put your head like this. You put the band around. All right, let's not panic. Let's not panic. Yeah, I don't know how to do wigs. I don't know how to do this stuff like this. I'm honestly just going by my gut and how I think these things should go. Okay, so this is just this is how I do it, you guys. Doesn't mean it's the right way. Okay. Alright, y'all, so this is kind of it. I'm gonna go do my makeup, and I'm gonna go do my makeup. I'm gonna do my makeup. And then I will show you guys my face after I'm all done with the makeup, okay? But right now this is how it's looking like. I'm gonna try to see if I can fix a little bit more to my liking. Yeah, I really don't like weave because it's always just so annoying. I don't like the fact that there's always something in your face, you know? But kind of it. I'm gonna go do my makeup and then I will be right back. Hey y'all, so I am all finished. I just finished my makeup. Yeah, we're really in a rush. We're really late. I'm gonna take some pictures and show you guys the outfit and all that stuff. I'll post the outfit and how I look. But you guys, yeah, this is the finished look. It's really cute, a little change, you know. You're trying to spice it up a little bit, you know. Curls are bouncy. This is this side. Yeah, you guys, this is the end of this video. Let me know if you guys like this. If you guys want me to do more hair reviews or more hair looks. But you guys, honestly, truly, I will prefer my locks all day, every day, because this is too much for me. Like, too much to maintain, and it's just too much. But you guys, this is the end of this look. I'm so happy with how it turned out. I did it all by myself. Usually my sister helps me, but because she is busy, because it's her birthday, she's getting ready, I didn't have any help. So I kind of had to just figure out everything by myself. It doesn't look perfect, but it does look wearable. You feel me? So yeah, you guys, this is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.